morning and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. It is about 9:20 in the morning and we are making our way to Costco. If you guys saw yesterday's vlog, we weren't able to go to Costco because there was a power outage and they were closed. So we're going today. Hopefully they are open today and we're gonna go do a little grocery because literally we have nothing left to eat in the fridge. Just like that, we're back home with our Costco haul. We got a lot of things and the cats are very curious right now. So yeah, like I was saying, we got a lot of things because we were out of like everything. So this was like one of those groceries where you buy literally everything. So we got a lot of stuff. We're gonna put everything away now and then hopefully make our way to the Christmas market this afternoon. That would be a lot of fun. It's pretty nice outside actually. It's like warm. It's in the positive, so like that's pretty good. And the ice is melting, so I'm kind of happy about that. I don't want the snow to go away, but the ice can leave if you don't like the ice. And yeah, I think this would be a perfect day to go to the Christmas market since we won't be freezing outside and it won't be slippery either, so that would be great. Anyways, I'm gonna put this stuff away and then I'm gonna make breakfast, I think, because I didn't eat breakfast before we left. It's now 10:30, I believe. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. All right, I've got my coffee right here and I'm about to make breakfast. And then we just put everything away from Costco, which is a good thing. We had a lot of stuff to put away. And then I'm gonna get ready. I'm not wearing any makeup, but I'm gonna do my makeup, probably gonna do my hair. I think I wanna crimp it. I think that could look nice. And then this afternoon, we're probably gonna go to the Christmas market, which is gonna be so much fun. And I have another Vlogmas video to edit, obviously. There's one every single day to edit. You guys, I just made a mess. My entire coffee just went flying all over the freaking counter. I'm so mad at myself. I'm literally doing my makeup and my coffee, like I don't know how I even got to my coffee. It was so far away and I caught my coffee and it made a big freaking mess. I'm so pissed. Alex like, do you want another coffee? I'm like, no, I do not need another coffee. I just wasted a whole coffee. I'm not gonna make another one. Like, that's enough. Oh, I'm so mad at myself. This makes me so sad. Also, we dropped some on our carpet, like our little carpet that we have. Like area carpet sort of in our bathroom, but it's really disgusting, so I'll probably just throw it out. Fuck, I'm so mad at myself. All right, mess is picked up, makeup is done, and I'm about to go in the bedroom to film some TikToks, and I have a vlog to edit, and I've already mentioned this. But yeah, also I do have a Q-tip in my hands. I usually put mascara like all over my eyelids, so I just like wipe it off with a Q-tip. So I'm gonna go in my bedroom, make some TikTok, and finish the last sip of coffee that I have in my mug. All right, so I just filmed a few TikToks. If you guys are interested, I always leave it linked down below. And now I'm gonna go do my hair. I think to go to the Christmas market, I want them to be like crimped. So I'm gonna crimp my hair. I'm at least gonna like flatten it out again, or I don't know, like I think I wanna crimp them. So I think I'm gonna do my hair right now. I think that could look really, really cute. Currently getting ready to go to the Christmas market. This is my outfit, leggings, hoodie, and then I'm gonna put my puffer jacket, probably a hat. It's pretty warm out, but I still think I'm gonna bring a hat because it is gonna get colder. It's almost 3, or it's already 3, so it is gonna get colder as we get closer to like 4 o'clock. So I'm gonna bring a hat. And yeah, this is the outfit. So right now we're just waiting for my cousin and Alex's cousin to come meet us. We're gonna go all together. I think they should be arriving soon, so we're just waiting for them and then we're gonna head out to the Christmas market. What's up guys? We're at the Christmas market right now and we're gonna try some maple syrup popcorn. Yeah. Taste it? Ah! You dropped it! Don't eat it, don't eat it. No. I feel bad about putting my mask down. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Oh wow. That's really good. Oh my god. It's better than caramel popcorn. Oh
and it's It's local.
Yeah, it's local from like where we're like from, obviously. It's really, really good. All right, we're back home from the Christmas market. It was a lot of fun. I did think it was gonna be outside though, and it was not outside, which is completely fine. But I think it would have been fun outside. But there were so many like local shops that you would never even know existed. So that was really, really cool. We got to taste test a few things. We tasted a lot of things with maple syrup in it. Obviously, like, we're in Canada, maple syrup is like the most important food group. So like, obviously, they had like maple syrup alcohols, maple syrup popcorn, or just maple syrup. One girl did a whole bunch of like honey things. Like, she would actually do the honey herself. So her husband would take care of like getting like the honeycombs, and she would take care of making the honey and caramels and syrups based off of the honey, which is super, super interesting. So it was a lot of fun, a lot of local shops, and now we're back home and I have to figure out what I'm making for dinner because I didn't plan anything for dinner tonight. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. I have to put out a vlog for today, and yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I forgot to take a picture for Instagram. I wanted to do a little picture for Instagram and I didn't do that. So I'm kind of sad about that, but it's fine. It was in the moment and I had like this little montage for you guys, so I think that'll be nice, but I don't think it's long. Anyways, I'm gonna take my coat off, take my hat off, and do the stuff that I need to do. I just opened the Christmas tree and it looks so nice. I love our Christmas tree. I didn't decorate the apartment yet, and honestly, I don't know if I'm going to, because I really just like having the Christmas tree out, but maybe I will. But like, I don't know, we're already halfway through Vlogmas and like through December, so I'm like, should I decorate the rest of the apartment or not? I honestly just love having the Christmas tree out, and with our two new cats, so Milo and Bea, I have like this feeling that they're just gonna want to knock over everything since they're still young and very, very playful. So I think it might just be better. Oh, why is this not focusing? I think it just might be better that we don't take all of the Christmas decor out this year, but we'll see. If I ever decide that I'm decorating, I will bring you guys along. But like, look at this tree. It's so pretty. You guys, I made pad thai and it looks so freaking yummy, and I have no idea why I'm so red right now. I don't know how to fix it either. Anyways, I don't know how to fix it, so we're just gonna go with it. But yeah, I made some pad thai and I'm so excited to eat. I don't know if it's like technically pad thai, but I just put like a whole bunch of veggies, eggs, chicken. Then I made a yummy sauce and I just mixed it all together, and this is gonna be dinner. We're gonna watch Home Alone, or at least start it and maybe finish it later this week. So that's what's going on right now, and I'll talk to you in a bit. What is up? I'm realizing I suck at ending vlogs these past few days, and I'm here to end off this vlog. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. I have another haul coming for you guys soon, which I know are the most popular videos on my channel, so I do have another one of those coming up soon. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas. Bye guys.